Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to install Telegram on iPhone. So step one, open the App Store app, which is this blue icon. This is the home page of Play Store. Now to search for Telegram, click on this search icon and then tap on this search field and then type Telegram. Now click on Telegram from the top. And this is the Telegram app. It's called Telegram Messenger. Click on get next to it and wait a moment. Sometimes the App Store asks you for your App Store or iCloud password. Type it and click on install. Once the download is completed, click on open. And this is the Telegram app. Just click on start messaging and follow the process. And of course, a new Telegram app icon will be added to your home page here, last in the last page. And this is how to install Telegram on iPhone. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.